Welcome back, everyone. I'm sorry it has been so long since I put out a video. It's just extenuating circumstances and health problems, so I apologize. But what I'm going to do in this video is I am going to burn a wood spirit. Let me show you. I'm going to put this guy on here, but instead of having the male eyes, I am going to go with a more feminine eye. See how that works. I'm kind of tired of having grumpy old men wood spirits, so I want to maybe kind of liven it up a little bit and have a feminine side to one of these. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me get things going. I have to sand I have to sand the basswood round down, oblong, they call it a round, and get the tracings done. I'll probably video a little of the tracing. So anyway, come back at you in a little bit. Traced onto the tracing paper, and I got it attached to the round. I got the eyes, a set of eyes in there, more feminine, but I don't know how good they are going to look, but they look pretty good. We'll see when it's all done how good it's going to look. Okay. Alright, let me get everything set up, and now we'll take it from the tracing paper onto the basswood round. So It's going to take a while. I'll video some of it. I am, like I say, I'm very, very slow now when I do stuff like that. Just because the eyesight is not 100% yet. Well, or ever will be. I'm just getting used to it, really. Some things are coming along pretty good, and other things are, But anyway, let me get everything set up and we'll get going. Okay, done with the tracing. So let's see how it looks. Get it all. I probably taped these up too good, but I just don't want them ever to get away from me, and painter's tape isn't that expensive, so. Alright. Huh? I think it came out pretty good. I really do. Now, if the eyes will come out as good as I hope they will, it will be something that different that I haven't done before. A female wood spirit. What would you call that? A spiritess, I suppose, maybe. Well, I'm going to shut her off for now. I am my eyes kind of wore out a little bit. So let me see if I'm going to come back to it today or not. I might not, so we'll catch you later. Thank you for watching. Well, I am hoping that I get this completed enough to where I can put out a video this week. It is so unbelievably hot here in Arkansas, and it has been hot for weeks. And the forecast, the 10-day forecast, is still mid to upper 90s. Heat indexes of 106 to 111. My shop is not air conditioning. It's hooked onto the house, that is. So when I first come out here, it's nice and cool. I got a fan running. But after I've been out here for a while with the lights on and the burner going, it starts to warm up, and with my heat in my body. So I have got to shut it off right now. I don't have the oomph to keep going. So I'm hoping to get back to you tomorrow. Alrighty. Okay. Bye-bye. And remember, everyone, get your hiking stick, your walking stick, your cane, whatever you use, and get out there and do some walking, because nature is beautiful.